Hello people, welcome back to my channel Dhun Priya Ke Entertainment. I am Priya. I hope you all are fine. Come on guys, tell me who does not love this authentic dish, delicious yummy dish from UP and Bihar. Dal ka lukta, dal ke fare, dal ke bhakose and dal pitha.
It filled with lentil filling in rice flour. Must try if you have not. If you want recipe, so I give you in description box.
Dal ke fare and dal ke bhakose. It is very popular dish of UP and Bihar. I am lover of dal ke fare. Are you?
Guys, I hope you all are like my video. So do like, share with your friends and family and comment on my channel. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Keep watching, keep sharing. Bye-bye.